Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Souvid is probably one of the most innovative kitchen gadgets to hit the market in recent years, promising restaurant-quality meals from the comfort of your own home. But does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of sous vide cooking, exploring its benefits, and putting this specific model to the test. Get ready to discover if this is the culinary game-changer you've been waiting for. Number 5. Anova Nano 2.0 Sous Vide Precision Cooker. Tired of overcooked or undercooked food? This device circulates water at the exact temperature needed for perfectly cooked meals. It ensures your food is cooked to perfection every single time. With a temperature range of 0 to 92 degrees Celsius, this cooker offers precise control. It maintains the set temperature with incredible accuracy, ensuring consistent results for all your dishes. Explore the world of sous vide cooking with this tool. It's perfect for chicken, fish, vegetables, and more. The process locks in flavor and moisture, resulting in unparalleled taste and texture. This compact device easily fits in any kitchen drawer. It attaches to any pot or container with a simple clamp. The durable plastic construction makes it easy to clean and maintain. Control your cooking directly from the Anova app. You can also access a subscription for more features. It offers recipes from professional chefs and allows you to save and share your own creations. What we like. This sous vide cooker guarantees perfect results every time, ensuring your meals are never over or undercooked. It also comes with an app for easy control and access to recipes. If you are looking for a user-friendly and compact sous vide machine with app integration, you should consider this one. What people say. This item is so easy to use and your meat comes out perfect at the temperature you set it at. Packaging reminds me of something Apple would do, elegant and well-designed packaging, yet simplistic. The app does an amazing job of telling you the pros-cons of each setting, allowing you to quickly determine the finished result you wanted. In my case, I stayed generic at 160 degrees for the eggs. Once you choose to start the routine, it immediately starts the device and heating the water, reporting in near real-time the temperature of the water. Once reached, stage 2. Add the eggs and it continues a precise timer countdown to completion. Also, if your water level is low, it detects and warns you to add water, or remove if too much. This device is a bargain for the quality and results you get. Highly recommend. Anyone, chef or not, can use it successfully. Number 4. SOUSVIDE Art Sous Vide Cooker Kit. This sous vide machine helps you cook like a chef. It provides consistent and even cooking, locking in all the flavor, nutrients, and tenderness. This kit includes everything you need to start cooking. It comes with a cooker, vacuum bags, a pump, sealing clips, and even a cookbook to get you started. Setting the time and temperature is simple with the user-friendly controls. You can achieve perfectly cooked steaks, chicken, and vegetables with ease. Keep your kitchen clean with this sous vide machine. The removable tube makes cleaning easy, and it operates ultra-quietly. It's also easy to store, saving space. Enjoy healthier meals with this machine. It requires no extra oils, retaining more nutrients. You can create endless dishes, from tender steaks to juicy veggies. What we like. This sous vide kit provides everything you need to start cooking right away, including vacuum bags and a pump. Its user-friendly design makes it perfect for beginners. If you are new to sous vide cooking and want a complete, easy-to-use kit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. My coworkers talked me into buying this and the first cook results were amazing. Easy to set up and easy use. Made the most amazing ribeyes. The temp stays plus 1 degree as advertised. It works great, the meat is very tender. Perfect for cooking steak. It is easy to use and the bags that come with it are of good quality. The system to remove the air from the bags is simple and easy to use. Number 3. ChefSteps Joule Sous Vide 1100W. This is the smallest and sleekest sous vide tool available. It's designed with a streamlined white body. It is perfect for any kitchen. This sous vide machine is half the size of others. It's small enough to store in a drawer. It is very convenient. With 1100 watts of power, it heats water quickly. It operates at a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz. It is single phase. The Joule app's visual doneness feature shows how food cooks. Dinner will come out perfectly every time. You can count on it. It works with iPhone or Android. You can connect with Bluetooth or cook from anywhere with Wi-Fi. It is very easy to use. It works with 120V outlets only. Using voltage transformers or converters can damage it. Using it outside North America voids the warranty. What we like. This Sous Vide tool is the smallest and sleekest on the market, saving valuable kitchen space. It also heats up water very quickly. If you like a minimalist design and want a powerful, space-saving Sous Vide machine, you should choose this one. What people say. I really enjoy the compact size, as compared to other Sous Vide units, and from what I read the quick heat-up time. It took only 11 minutes to heat up 72-degree water to 149 degrees for the chicken breast. Once at that temperature it stayed very consistent, within 0.2 degrees. Amazing! Temperature control devices at my work, food production, don't do as well in terms of consistency. Number 2. Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro. Tired of overcooked or undercooked food? This cooker circulates water at the exact temperature needed for perfectly cooked meals. It ensures consistent results, no matter what you're making. Sous vide cooking is perfect for almost any food. Chicken, fish, vegetables, and more will reach the perfect level of doneness. This method locks in flavor and moisture, resulting in superior taste and texture. The Anova Precision Cooker Pro is built to last. It can heat up to 100 L of water and run for thousands of hours. Constructed of stainless steel, it's drop-tested and waterproof. It's simple to use. Just attach the cooker to your pot, add water and your food in a sealed bag. You can control it manually or with the Anova app. Control time and temperature directly on the app or the cooker itself. For a subscription, you'll get access to recipes and cooking guides. You can also revisit and share your personal recipes. What we like. This sous vide cooker is built for demanding kitchens, offering robust performance and durability. It also features app control for added convenience. If you are a serious cook or need a sous vide machine that can handle heavy use, this is the one for you. What people say. It's sturdy and works well. It was easy to connect to Wi-Fi and the app, just go slow and follow instructions. This thing just plain works and does everything it's supposed to do. It moves the water and heats it quickly. Number 1. Greater Good Sous Vide Precision Cooker. This precision cooker is powerful yet quiet. It uses high-end water circulation to heat evenly in all directions. You'll get your desired temperature quickly, and all you'll hear is a gentle ripple. The controls are easy to use. Press and hold the adjustable dial, then turn it to switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius. Click to lock in your choice. Adjust the temperature without affecting the timer. This sous vide machine has many features. It includes manual calibration, a negative timer, and a removable, dishwasher-safe stainless steel cover. It operates within a broad temperature range. Use the adjustable Easy Connect clip to attach it to any pot or container. You can easily set and view the temperature and timer on the large, bright LED display. Please note that containers are not included. Choose your ideal temperature, and the precise control helps retain all the health and nutrition benefits. It's hard to achieve these benefits through traditional cooking methods. What we like. This sous vide machine operates silently while providing even heating for your food. It also features intuitive dial controls for easy temperature and timer adjustments. If you value a quiet cooking experience and precise control, you should consider this one. What people say. It heats quickly and maintains temperature well. The device is high-powered, 1100 watts, so it brings your cooking bath up to temperature quite rapidly and can maintain the desired temperature easily. The controls are very simple, a single knob button, and as a huge positive, it does not require a smartphone, Wi-Fi network, or Bluetooth to be used effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.